When times get tough, it becomes as important as ever to channel those you look up to most and ask, what would they do? Which is why I'd like to devote this video to a personal role model of mine, Elon Emerald Mine Musk. Not only is this suave alpha a shoo-in for the starring role of the next James Bond film, but he's an epic gamer to boot. You'd think the sole inventor of history's greatest vehicle couldn't get cooler, but you'd be dead wrong, because Elon is also the world's greatest Diablo 4 player. As tribute for his many feats, it's high time I immortalize Mr. Musk in the form of an artistic portrait. And don't you worry, I'll be breaking things down every step of the way so that you can follow along at home. First, we need to take into account Elon's chiseled jawline. His Chad-like facial structure provides the foundation that we'll be laying his various features on top of. Next we have his narrow nose, perfect in both length and width. His mouth features a prominent lower lip which he uses to pout at any employees who don't meet his high expectations. Then we include his handsome eyebrows before adding some additional detail to his eyes. Elon's eyes may appear to be glazed over with a blank expression, but this is because he practices stoicism at all times of the day. These moments of deep concentration are how he comes up with all his brilliant ideas, after all. Elon also has a rather high hairline which shows off his sleek forehead, followed by his luscious locks, combed back for additional coolness. A rather obscure fact about Elon is that he has the power to lose and gain hair follicles on command. In the past, he's been known to intentionally thin out his hair in order to practice humility. Lastly, we'll be adding a few finishing touches that really bring out his inner lion. With the head completed, we can move on to Elon's bodacious bod. Just look at that impressive bulk. It's obvious that Elon has been training to achieve what fitness experts refer to as the sought-after Roblox build. Needless to say, he's very fast and strong, like a titan. But wait, we're getting ahead of ourselves. We need to decide on a pose first. Being a fitness junkie, Elon is always on the move. The spontaneous hopping he does may seem awkward at first glance, but Elon's signature jump is actually a clever reference to Mario's original name, Jumpman. He is a veteran gamer after all. So what better pose to have him in than a mid-air leap with his arms outstretched? Now we can return to Elon's torso. I am making the creative decision to have him shirtless because it would be a shame to hide such a stunning physique. So let's go ahead and add in some details. There's his iron pecs. We need to squeeze the obliques in there, and it's also important to include where the edge of his ribcage protrudes from his body. Elon's always puffing out his chest to show dominance. So-called fitness experts will tell you that interior pelvic tilt is bad, but Elon knows better. He knows that such a tilt makes you more aerodynamic while running at high speeds. Lastly, let's add some detail to his lower half, such as his belt, some tension points, and shoes. There he is in all his glory. I can only hope that I've done Elon's physique justice and managed to capture his masculine aura. This part is optional, but don't be afraid to give him a catchphrase as well. All good heroes need one of those. If all went well, you too should have your own little Elon to proudly put up on your fridge. And now I'll just let this generic K-pop track play in the background while you admire the finished result.